When you first arrive in Betina, you'll find the Bilave city beach waiting right there, perfectly positioned for a day under the Mediterranean sun. Unlike secluded coves hidden behind dense pine forests, Bilave offers a classic open coastal experience. It is fully exposed to the sun, making it the premier choice for those who want to soak up every moment of the summer light. As you walk toward the water, you'll notice the clarity immediately, a pristine glass-like transparency that defines the Adriatic. The water transitions gracefully from a shallow, bright turquoise near the shore into the deep, mesmerizing blue further out, inviting you to step in and wash away the heat of the day. There is a specific kind of ease here that you won't find on the more commercialized, crowded beaches of the coast. Bilave is a true city beach, and it serves as an authentic window into the daily pulse of Betina. Whether it's a local resident enjoying a quiet morning swim before the day begins, or the gentle, rhythmic movement of traditional wooden boats anchored in the nearby marina, you aren't just an observer here. You are part of the living history of this island town. What truly defines Bilave is its panoramic soul. As you look across the bay from the comfort of your towel, you are treated to an uninterrupted, postcard-perfect view of Betina. The traditional stone houses of the village cascade gracefully down to the water's edge, all presided over by the iconic baroque bell tower of the Church of St. Francis of Assisi. The beach itself, a comfortable blend of fine pebbles and smooth gravel, is perfect for a leisurely stroll, and it maintains a charming, humble atmosphere that makes every visitor feel like a local. To ensure your day at Bilave is as relaxing as possible, here is the essential information you need to plan your visit. Bilave is conveniently situated just a 2-minute walk from the heart of Betina, making it incredibly accessible. As you can see, this is a sun-drenched beach with very little natural shade. If you plan on staying for more than a quick swim, bringing your own umbrella is absolutely essential for your comfort throughout the day. For those arriving by car, there's a large paid parking lot located immediately next to the beach, allowing you to settle in without any long walks. You will find the Luna Beach Bar right there to provide cold drinks and refreshments whenever you need them. Furthermore, there is a nearby playground, which families with children will find particularly useful for keeping the little ones entertained. If you are currently looking for a place to stay in the area, we recommend checking out Apartmanija.hr for local listings that are within easy walking distance of the beach. If this guide helped you plan a better day in Betina, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue creating accurate, real-world guides for your travels. See you at Bilave.